guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another unboxing for you guys. So for you guys who have a lot of Apple products, today I have an unboxing where you can put all your stuff in one area instead of carrying so many different cords. If you're a traveler, or if you're like me, you're tired of having a plug for each device. This way you can just have everything at once, right at your nightstand, next to your bed, on the table, or whatever way you set it up, okay? And I have a lot of Apple products, as a lot of you guys know who've been following the channel. So I have everything from my Apple Watch to the earbuds, these are the Pro versions, to my iPhone, as well as an Apple Pencil. Now this pencil won't work on this because this is the first generation pencil. This is the second generation where it actually charges on this flat edge right here on my iPad. So I don't need the pencil for that, it just charges on my iPad. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing unboxed and see what it's all about. Made in China, fast 4-in-1. And then I wanna show you guys the output, for those of you who are curious about the output of this device, because you can use a fast charger with the actual plug-in, because everything here charges wirelessly. So that's the model number, the input for the watch, the pencil, the earbuds, and the cell phone. So if you got a slow charger, it'll do that. But if you have a faster charger, you can get up to 10 watts wirelessly on this. And that's not very fast, but it is faster than those small little bricks that Apple used to give us. Okay, so let's open this thing up and see what all comes in the box. Let's set the box over here to the side. Oh, you do get a charger. Didn't know that. I thought it was just a device. You had to use your own charging brick. Let's see what else comes in here. So you actually get the device itself. Pretty light, it's all plasticky, and it'll be easy to travel with because you would just stand it up like this. And you have these different slots here in the back, but you have these different slots you can put it in. So that's the first slot. You can put it in, have it stand like that, or you can put it back like that. So those are your two different options. We can stand like this, or you can have it stand more like that, more straight up, or more laid back. So, but yeah, so that's a spot for your phone wirelessly, your watch wirelessly, the earbuds, and the pencil. And again, I don't need the pencil. Here's the instruction manual. Probably never use it. You do get a USB-A to a USB-C charger to go with your brick. And again, this is only 3 watts, 3.0. I'll try to see how fast it is, but I'm pretty sure I'll end up using my fast charger. And that's everything that comes with it. So we're gonna try it out, and I'm gonna put each device on to make sure it works, and I'll be right back. Guys, I had to move my lights around because I'm using one of the plugs, but it plugs in here in the back, right here. So decide where you want your stand to go. I'm gonna keep it in the first position. Plug this in first. All right, it's plugged in. We got this in, okay. So let's start with the phone. I'm already at 100%, but you can see the power strip is on there. Next, I'm gonna try the earbuds here. And the way to tell with the earbuds, the light is on in the front, right here. And another way to tell is you turn this on, you open this up, let it connect, takes a sec. There it is, and it's showing both are charging right there. So, all right, so that works. And then the last one here is the watch. Take that off, stick that on. And as you can see, it's charging as well. So all three work like they're supposed to. Now someone's gonna ask, will this work with other devices because it's a wireless charger besides Apple devices? So let me try to answer some anticipated questions. Will it work if I turn the phone sideways and put it on? Yes, it'll still work if you wanna watch something. Turn it to the side, it'll still charge that way, and you can watch whatever you're watching, okay? Okay, will it work on more devices? So it's a wireless charger, so it should work. This is my Google. Hold on, let me show you real quick. This is the Pixel 6 Pro. Let's see. Yeah, it was already starting to work. So, yep, you can see the animation there is charging, pulsing. Battery's currently at 69%, so it works just fine with the Pixel. Okay, now let's say you have a bunch of Samsung devices and you have a Samsung watch. Now this is a wireless piece here, because that one doesn't appear to be working. So I'm gonna try my other one that's similar. I'm gonna change positions with it. You know what? Let's take it down to its lowest spot. I can't get these to work with this, okay? And then last but not least, I'm gonna try my Z Flip. It does have the case on, so let me try it with the case off and see if that works. Red, oh yeah, it charges. So yeah, it will work with the Z Flip with the case off. It wouldn't work with the case on, but with the case off, it works just fine. So you can use it on any other phone, but as far as these watches go, and I'll try it again with this one. I think because it won't sit on that spot. I mean, I guess you could try to lay it down. Let me see if I can lay it down here. Nope, this little light down here doesn't change colors. And it'll change colors. So this light here at the bottom, when it's working, it'll change colors from red to blue. I can get it to stand in one spot right here. So I'll go back to the Z Flip and I'll show you real quick. So right now it's red. As soon as I put the Z Flip on here, it turns blue. So that lets you know that it's charging. So with this, I can't get this to sit on this little spot, so it will not work. But as far as cell phones go, if you just have a phone you're trying to charge, it will charge it no problem. As you can see, it works on this one. And notice when I take it off, the light goes red, and then I'll put the Pixel back on here. Oops, sorry, shake a cam. It'll change colors again to blue, lets you know it's charging. And then you can see the animation itself that is working just fine. It'll start pulsing here in a second. Yep, so it works just fine. So wireless charging part as far as phones go will work, no issue. Your little indicator light here will let you know at the bottom when it's working. And that's it, guys. Any other questions or comments you may have, guys, please leave them below. But until then, guys, I am out. Peace.